Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering on that frequently asked question on calculator used for SAT math. So this particular question goes like this. What is the biggest mistake students make with calculator tricks? Okay, to answer this question, so the right response to this question is that relying on a calculator without understanding the underlying math concepts. This is the way I see this question. Relying on the calculator without understand the underlying math concepts. Okay, so this is, if not the biggest, one of the biggest mistakes students make with the calculator. They are relying on the calculator without understanding the underlying math concepts. Yeah, so the calculator should support your reasoning, not replace it. Very, very important, guys. The calculator should support your reasoning and not replace it. Okay, so I hope I answered this question well for you. Okay, it's very important you understand the underlying math concept, the principle behind it. Okay, and not just allowing calculator to replace your reasoning. Okay, so there are a lot of advantages to this when you understand the underlying math concepts, you know without relying on a calculator. Just like that, it goes a long way to helping you to decode patterns while solving problems with a calculator. So I'm going to stop here for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.